The United Nations has included Israel on its global list of states and armed groups accused of committing violations against children over the past year, a decision confirmed by Israel's UN envoy Gilad Erdan. The inclusion is part of an annual report on children and armed conflict set to be presented to the UN Security Council next Friday. Expressing his indignation, Erdan described the decision as shameful and argued that Israel's military is the most moral army in the world, suggesting that the UN's move would only benefit terrorists and reward Hamas. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu echoed these sentiments, claiming that the UN had added itself to the black list of history by aligning with those who support Hamas. Israel's Foreign Minister Israel Katz also criticized the decision, warning that it would further strain the already tense relations between Israel and the United Nations. Notably, Israel has been refusing to cooperate with the UN Relief and Works Agency, which provides aid to Palestinian refugees across Gaza, the West Bank, Jordan, Lebanon, and Syria. There have been allegations that Israel was previously excluded from the list due to political pressure from Israeli officials. The United Nations evaluates 6 grave violations as criteria for listing states: the killing and maiming of children, the recruitment or use of children as soldiers, sexual violence against children, the abduction of children, attacks against schools or hospitals, and the denial of humanitarian access for children. The Israel-run Health Ministry in Gaza says 36,731 people have since been killed by Israeli bombardment and ground attacks. Last month, the UN said at least 7,797 children had been killed during the war, based on data relating to identified bodies provided by the Hamas-run Health Ministry in Gaza. Also last month, the UN revised down the proportion of reported fatalities that were women and children from 69% to 52% of the total number of deaths. Israel said the reduction showed the UN had relied on false data from Hamas. The UN says it is now relying on figures from the Hamas-run Health Ministry in Gaza rather than from the Hamas-run government media office. The GMO meanwhile says Israeli attacks have killed more than 15,000 children. This recent decision by the UN underscores the ongoing tensions and the complex dynamics surrounding Israel's actions in the region, particularly concerning its interactions with Palestinian territories.